Hello, this is Bryce with Adaptive Agriculture. Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to talk about is device navigation. So what we can do while we're at the dashboard, just go over to Devices and click on your name. So this is your group. If you go to Device Settings, you will see all the general settings, which is the name of it, the description, check-in period, which is 10 minutes, upgrade channel, which is stable, and click it to automatically upgrade, just so it upgrades every time we come out with a new firmware update. And then you can just click Save. What we'll do is go to View Device, and what you'll see here are what we call component cards. So if you see, you have heater control, temperature, humidity, grain cable 1, power, bin fan pressure, cell strength, and grain cable 2. What you'll see up here are the status indicators for this device. So this device was active a few seconds ago. It is 100% battery. It is the current firmware, which is indicated by the green shield. This is its SIM number, and it is pending changes. The little blue cloud just means it's pending changes. It means something has been changed, and it will be updating soon. This is also another way to get to your device settings. You can go to More and add an interaction, share your device, resync device. You can look at the history, the users on the device. For now, we're going to go back out to this group. There's also status indicators on the group. Another thing you can do, say you wanted to just get a quick bite-sized view of temperature and humidity, bin fan pressure, and your grain cable. All you got to do is click those little stars and go back out to your device, and voila, you can see everything right there in a quick and easy view. Well, anyways, that's all I have for you today. Make sure, if you found the video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to address them. And as always, have a fantastic day.